Well, recent breaking news coming in at this hour. We're learning that Hezbollah has rained missiles on Israel. We're understanding that Israel has intercepted missiles over the Nahariya is what we're learning, as Hezbollah rockets are downed by Israel. That's the latest we're learning at this hour, as Hezbollah has rained missiles on Israel. Remember that this is the latest face-off between Israel and Hezbollah. Earlier this morning, we'd also broken the story of Israel hitting targets on, of course, Hezbollah in Lebanon. The latest that we're tracking is the fact that Hezbollah rockets have also been downed in fact by Israel. Well, on this, my colleague Disha Bakshi joining us for the broadcast. Disha, of course, the face-off between the Hezbollah and Israel only seems to intensify. Walk us through the latest details coming in.
Right, Reed. So the exchange of missiles by Israel and Hezbollah continue. The tensions are intensifying in this new front with Israel and Lebanon. Really, the tensions increasing because Hezbollah, proxy of Iran, now really trying to strike Israeli targets in the country. Whether most of these missiles are not able to reach their targets, Israel's Iron Dome is able to intercept these missiles being fired by Hezbollah. But it really indicates that the Hezbollah is not looking to de-escalate either, despite Israeli Prime Minister Netanyahu's various warnings to Hezbollah as well as the Lebanon government, saying that they need to back off, they need to abide by the 2024 ceasefire that was reached between the Hezbollah, between the Lebanon government as well as Israel. Now, just for context, the Lebanon government does not support the Hezbollah in any way. They have in fact banned the militant group from the country. However, the Hezbollah is quite a strong and has quite a strong foothold and stronghold in Lebanon, which is why it's been able to continue its strikes and attacks against Israel. But Israel has been able to intercept most of these missiles, so the damage has been minimal in that sense, is what we're understanding. But it really does indicate that the tensions in the Middle East are far from de-escalating, and now this new front essentially means that a new front of this war has now emerged.
Right, absolutely. Disha, thank you so much for joining us and sharing those crucial updates with us.